Coca-Cola Tigers, they're still down by 5.
Ito, si James Yap na nga is trying to take over dito pa lang sa ating first quarter. Pero ginugulo siya dito by the tight defense of Buena Fe. 8 seconds to shoot para sa Pure Foods. James Yap, walang mapuntahan, tinira na lang. Yay! Pumasok pa! Another key press from James Yap. And you can ask nothing more from Ronjay Buena Fe that time.
Well, siguro to foul him na lang. Dahil hindi pa nga nasa penalty itong Coca-Cola Tigers. But who would have expected James Yap with the type of defense that si Ronjay Buena Fe has been showing? Yung turnaround, fade away.
For the floor. And rightly so. Mark is red hot. Shot clock down to 5. Mark will take a shot here. Firing away. Oh, he got it!
For best player.
Why not? 32 points.
Siguro gusto niyo akong kausapin lang eh. Diba? Masaya.
Oh, kasi para controversial. Okay, Mark. Looking at
Barangay Ginebra. There's James Yap ngayon against Tubig. Former teammates in college. Ito ngayon James Yap. Close! Pawira ka agad. Yung pure cross na lang. What a comeback here by James Yap. Already with 23 points in the ballgame.
Marlon Magat, balik loob para sa NLEX Old Warriors. 8 seconds. Yap. Nahilo si Mactalio doon sa spin move ni Yap.
I'll call it as I saw it. That was a totally fooled kind of an offense done.
Nahilo si Talio eh. Napagiling ng di oras eh.
In
Remaining here in the fourth quarter. Kirby Raimundo looking for James Yap against Tubig. James Yap behind the back dribble. Yap! Shot coming from James Yap. So two amazing shots, one after another. One from Darius, this time from James Yap. Iba talaga yung malaki rin yung kamay eh, no? Was able to scoop that one in. And now he'll be rewarded. Isa pa nga. Ayun eh,
from
no?
another angle. It's stretch. Tapos